Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be talking about MicroStrategy ticker symbol MSTR company that is shaking up the stock market because it owns a ton of Bitcoin. We'll look at their latest financial news, what they're planning for the future, and check out the charts to see if it's a good time to buy or sell. Let's keep it simple and dive in. First, let's talk money. MicroStrategy made about $459 million in revenue last year. Pretty good, right? But here's the big shocker, they lost over $5 billion. That's because they've put so much cash into Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin's price drops, their books take a hit. They're also spending more cash than they're making from their software business. But they've raised $28 billion by selling stock and borrowing money to buy even more Bitcoin. It's a risky move, but it's keeping them in the game. What's next for MicroStrategy? They're all about Bitcoin. They own almost 600,000 Bitcoins and plan to keep buying more. If Bitcoin's price shoots up, their stock could go through the roof. But if Bitcoin crashes, their stock might tank. It's a big bet on crypto, and the future depends on how Bitcoin does. Now, let's look at the charts to see what's happening with the stock price. Daily chart. On the daily chart, the stock is around $415. It's above the 50-day moving average, which is like a trend line sitting at about $360, $370. When the price is above this line, it usually means the stock is going up. The RSI tool that shows if the stock is too hot or too cold is at 59.58. Since it's between 50 and 70, the stock has energy to keep rising but isn't overcooked yet. Looks promising. Zooming out to the weekly chart, MicroStrategy has been climbing since late 2023. It's staying above the 50-week moving average, which is a strong sign the uptrend is solid. Buy or sell prediction. So should you buy or sell? Based on the charts, things look bullish, that means up. The price is above key trend lines, and the RSI shows there's still room to grow. I'd say it's a buy signal right now. But here's the warning, their money situation is tricky, and Bitcoin could mess things up if it drops. So if you buy, be ready for some ups and downs. That's it for MicroStrategy. It's a wild stock tied to Bitcoin, with big risks and big rewards. If you like this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Drop a comment, tell me if you're buying, selling, or just watching. See you in the next video.